Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm at my grandpa's garage, and we are going to be welding more flowers, as you've seen by the title. So let's get into it. Sneak peek. Ooh, sneak peek. That was really cringy. I don't know why I just did that, but let's get to it. There we go. Yeah, it'll be fine. They don't gotta be perfect, but they just gotta hold. They just gotta look somewhat consistent. Okay. Next one. Alright, so now we have the flower actually done. See? We got the whole flower done right now. So yeah, time to weld and make it look good. I'm just gonna tack weld right here where the that thing goes on. Really good.
That's what you pay for too. You get a spray welder. Probably not as Christmas. I don't know. It's like, it don't sound.
I definitely think this is the way to do it, just tack it instead of like welding. It also makes it look better.
Just see the more you weld, the more you learn.
Yeah, and how like make it faster.
Yeah, you whip that sucker out.
Huh?
You whip that sucker out.
Oh, that thing burning.
Well,
Oh, that's the oil.
put oil on there. It's so fast. Pump them out like crazy.
The time ticks by. Alright, time to weld more. that's how it turns out. So let's weld some more. This one, couple hands in Foot focus, both of us are legal. Alright, so we got a couple more to weld. I want to do this like this. Come around here. God dang, bro. My face itching. That looks freaking good, bro. Heck yes. Wire brush time. I got one more leaf to weld. I think it does. I think I'm gonna weld to the other one, like the same way I did this one. So make it a full circle.
Look really good.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna weld the other leaf to the top of this one. That one I did, that was fast. That was fast.
It took you about less than 20 minutes.
Really?
Yeah, I was in there cooking the eggs. I had to boil some deviled eggs for tomorrow. I came back out, man, you were done. Not without done, but pretty close. That's pretty cool.
Definitely looks good.
This baby up the wall. Just in case. So don't get a flat tire.
Looks pretty good. Well, that's the end of the video. See you. Alright, so here is the final product of, the flowers. Here's the rose. Looks pretty tough. I really wanted to bend these, but I need to get thinner rods to weld this. This one, pretty good. Sunflower, gotta paint them. But yeah. I'm gonna paint them when I get home. Now it is time to paint. So here we are. We are done with the 3 flowers. I mean, there's more, but these are the only 3 I painted right now. There's the rose, and then here's the other sunflower. I think they look pretty freaking good. Let me know down in the comments, and if y'all want me to like sell these online for you, just let me know. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like, subscribe, see you.